Hello, y'all. What is up? Chad right here with Team Right. Trying not to embarrass my daughter. I didn't say cut. Hey y'all, what's up? Chad Right coming to you here once again on the channel, Team Righteous. And we are here, Jake's Dragstrip. It's been a while. Got us some Frito pie earlier. If y'all didn't see the TikTok stories and the Facebook stories, we had to run to the concession stand to get that real fast. Anyways, we got the old side chick over there. You want to show the people the side chick? It's behind that CBR there, the blue and silver bike back there. Anyways, we're doing a little bit of practicing and testing tune tonight, trying to see if we can get it to run in the sixes, trying to run like a 698, something like that right there, trying to get it dialed in to run 7.0 index with the bike. So, see what it's going to do. Haven't done anything to it since last year, so probably ain't going to do anything any better, but we're going to try. Anyways, they got a car race going on too, bracket race or index race, so we're not in it tonight. Just come down here to have some fun and see what it'll do. So like I said, the car's going on right now. We're waiting on them so we can get our first test passed in. Once we get that going, we'll be able to see. Can we break in the sixes tonight? So that's going to be our goal tonight. Put this thing right here in the sixes. I know it's definitely capable of doing it. My old 06 750 I had before done it, but it was a little bit set up differently than what this right here is. So this is sitting a little bit taller, wore out rear shock, and I'm a little bit heavier than what I was back then. So we're trying to see if we can do it, but with the, you know, what we got going on now. Anyways, appreciate y'all. Let's get into action. Alright y'all, so we here at the track. We got one pass in so far. Not quite as quick as we wanted to be yet. Trying to run 7.0s with it, trying to dial it in and run 7.0. But it's been probably a good 7 or 8 months since I've made a pass on this bike here. But anyways, big thanks to my camera girl, Kylie. Say hello.
Hi.
She's just quite shy like I was earlier when I started the video. Here in just a minute, she's gonna get spunky. Tell everybody, say we love you. Say hello. Team Righteous.
Stop.
Anyways, so she's having lots of fun, as y'all can tell. What? So, anyways, I said we're gonna try to make another pass in a minute. See if we can leave a little bit harder on it, but be a little bit more gentle with the clutch. Come off the clutch a little too quick, which made it come up a little bit. Didn't do anything. I mean, I wasn't really worried about it like standing up on me all over there, but it did. Wasn't very smooth anyways. I didn't leave too hard, but I'm sliding on the seat too. So slid back on the seat. These pants I got here do not grip the seat very good. I think I might have to get Scotty to make me a custom seat for this thing right here so I can have it whenever I come to the drag strip with it. Anyways, like I said, just my little grocery getter street bike, fun little thing to ride on. Trying to run like a 698 with it. If I run a 698, I feel like we can run 7.0s with it pretty consistently. But if we would have gotten the index tonight or whatever, who knows if I could have done it or not. I ain't rode it long enough, and it's easy to do it, but it takes, you know, getting after it to be able to run 7.0s with this bike right here. So we'll just have to see. Anyways, we'll be back at y'all here. Alright y'all, here we are. Finally got our bike into the sixes. Been trying this thing all last year, trying to get to the sixes with it, run numerous 7.0s with it. We went first pass tonight. Let's see here. First pass tonight, we went a 7.12. Just leaving on a little lazy. And try to leave a little bit harder. Second pass, picked up one a 7.02. And then this last one here, left a little bit harder, actually slower 60 foot though, but it picked up to the 330 and then picked up out the back. So not too bad, about where we wanted it at, trying to index race with it, trying to run 7.0s with it. So like I said, this is the first time I got to get out with it this year, and now that it's quick enough to run like a 697, 698 area like that there, I can always slow it down if I need to or whatever to be able to dial it into a 7.0 into tune and everything. So I can pull some timing out of it. We can control the throttle bodies, stuff like that there. So got control of all that stuff over there in the tune and everything. So that over there should be good. Anyways, happy to see it into the sixes. Gonna probably make a couple more passes. See if we can leave on it a little bit harder now and get it deep into the sixes maybe, or deeper anyways, not deep into it, but deeper. So we can get into like maybe a low 90 or whatever. So then I know that I've got way more than what I need and I gotta slow it down some. So it's running a lot of mile an hour tonight. I haven't seen this bike run this kind of mile an hour yet since I've had it. It used to run about 106 mile an hour last year. Same thing my other 06 used to run a few years ago whenever I had it. So to see this bike right here picking up, running 108 and 109 mile per hour is either running really great tonight because the air's good and I got it set up right and everything else, or it's fixing to come apart. One of the two. And you know how it goes. But anyways, we'll make a few more passes. Camera girl here. Thank her for getting our video and stuff. So anyways, get a couple more passes in and see what else we can do with this thing here. Well, y'all, we have made it back to the house, and my last pass did not go any quicker. So quickest pass of the night, 697. Last pass of the night was a 704. I tried to leave harder, didn't pick up anything in the 60 foot. 330 was pretty much identical to what it had been running, but a shift in the second, like right before the 330, and from the 330 to the 660 fell back off to running this basically the same time as it used to run and the same mile per hour as it used to run. And I was like, well, whatever was right with it that was running so good was wrong with it. And then I started thinking about it. It's like, well, the 1-2 shift was kind of a little wonky because I tried to leave harder and then I get my foot up to shift right and everything, and I just caught it and it felt kind of weird and everything. So I think I kind of got to about where I was at on the limit there with it. Prop this thing here up for a second. But yeah, I felt like I was on the limit with it for tonight anyways. Like I said, I know it'll run quicker to the 60 foot. I was like mid 190s tonight 60 foot, and I know it's been like a 182 60 foot. So I know it will run the number a little bit quicker, which would also give it probably at least low 80s honestly, if I can get it all together and everything. To run a pass like from the 60 foot to the 330 out the back and everything, put the combination together, run good tonight. It was really surprisingly good to be able to run out the back like it was. It picked up out the back like 5 numbers and picked up 3 mile per hour from where it's ever ran before. So to see 109 mile per hour out of a GSXR 750 with my weight anyways is pretty impressive. I mean, I know they can do it, but with my weight, and the bike's really not stripped down none at all. Like, it's a stock GSXR 750 with extension blocks on it, some lowering links, but it's not lowered any, no straps, no strap front end, none of that stuff. And it's just geared. So the only thing that's got weight off of it honestly is like one caliper's off, not because I'm trying to set it up for a drag strip or nothing like that there, but it's off because the left one, even when I rebuilt it or whatever, still gets air in it. So I'd rather just have better brakes than to have 2 calipers. So the one works better right now, like it is. But anyways, flip around here one time real quick. So yeah, this is her. This is the side chick, or Khaos. And got to pull this cover off. So very last pass of the night, it made the pass. Pass was fine. Everything went fine. I think it is. I think I've got some work steels. Get to the top end, pull the clutch in. It's still kind of pulling. I thought it's kind of weird. I was like, all right. And so I come back down the return road. Everything's fine. And I pull up stops to get my ticket. And I can feel it pulling whatever. So I just immediately shut it off. And of course it stopped because now the clutch is engaged, which is kind of weird. So I ended up getting my ticket. Started the bike back up. Started up in gear, and of course it's trying to pull at the same time, so I get it to pushing it at the same time as I'm hitting the starter, and it pulls, and I get it to go, and I'll get over back to the trailer or whatever, and then just put it in neutral, load it up on the trailer and everything, and back here. So tomorrow we'll pull the clutches out, check, see what's going on, or check, see if the cable's got stretched in it, something like that right there. So either one of the two things. I don't think it should be the clutches. I put new clutches in it last year, and I haven't made that many passes on it, and I haven't been like that hard and abusive on it. Like, I know my last pass, I left pretty hard on it, but with my old 750 or whatever, man, I used to make like 10 or 12 passes a night, and it never, got something like this right here, where making 5 passes and probably made, I don't know, 15 total since I put these clutches in. So it's really not that much on them. And I mean, the 750s really don't make that much torque to make that much heat and stuff. So we'll have to see. Anyways, we got to pull this thing here apart. But just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know. Quickest pass of the night, 697. Just having a little fun, trying to, have fun with my little grocery getter. 6.0, or I meant 7.0, not 6.0. Jesus, that thing I can't run on 6.0s, not with me on it. But 7.0, little index bike or bracket bike, whatever. And it is consistent. I can get it to run the number. I was just trying to push it to see like how much more I can step up. So my first pass like a 712, second pass I think a 702, and the last pass was a 697. Before we went 704 on the very last pass. So I guess I made like 4 passes tonight or something like that right there. But anyways, I'm gonna jump off of here. Appreciate all y'all. Have a good one.